It is mostly happening in phones sometime after the software updates. And honestly, we don't know the exact reason. No one knows the exact reason because the brand can only know the exact reason, and the brands have not spoken about this green line issue. And we can just take guesses like, is it happening in phones due to software updates? Then in that case, it should happen with all the phones that receive the same software update, right? But that's not the case. Is it only happening in older phones that are 2 to 3 years old? No, it is happening in newer phones like Nothing Phone 1. Or recently, this iPhone 14 Pro Max, you can see the entire display is green and there is flickering on the display. Like a lot of Motorola phones, even Nothing phones, Vivo, Samsung, almost all the phones are having the same green line issue. People actually don't know that this is brand's fault and you can get the device repaired for free if you visit the service center. If a brand formally announces that, hey, if your phone has green line issue and doesn't have any hardware damage, we'll repair the phone for free. The service center person just simply rejects warranty, the customer then pays for the repair or just goes outside and does third-party repair and eventually pays for it. Let's get to what you can do as a consumer. Number one, first thing, when you see this green line issue, visit the service center immediately. You deserve a free repair. You are right. Number two, I don't think this is happening due to software updates. These are particular device problems, but still, wait 1 to 2 months before you update your device or just put the latest software update. And last but not the least, for the entire tech community, listen carefully. Now there are a lot of false cases floating as well, like I'm hiding the username, but have a look at this tweet. If you see, there is a green line in the image, but from the bottom, see, the display is damaged. So these green lines will also appear